Alright, so morning guys. Welcome to Journey with Scott. So we're here on May Farm. We're getting some farm produce. So yeah. So we're going to definitely show you a little bit of the farm. So stay tuned. So we're still on the route to the farm, guys. We're going to definitely show you guys that. It's a lovely pumpkin patch. Alright guys, so we're on May Farm. Today we're collecting some corn. So they are currently reaping some corn down this side. It's really lovely. It's a really lovely farm. So they already started reaping these corn right here. We're going to go down to where the guy is reaping. Over this side is a melon, but the melon isn't ready as yet. As soon as melon is ready, we're definitely going to come back. Here's a little baby one. Is it nice? It's a really some small little melons. This looks really nice. Yeah. So this is May Farm. So currently the only thing that is ready is corn. So today is reaping day for the corn. So persons can actually come if they want corn, they can actually come and purchase corn here. You can just see how the guy is reaping the corn. It's really, this is how they reap it. So the farm is really big. Not sure how much acres, but this is the melon. This is the melon field right here. But like I said, melon isn't ready as yet. As soon as melon is ready, we're definitely going to come back and get some melon. So today is reaping day for the corn, so today they'll be doing a lot of reaping the corns. So if you guys want to see how they reap corn, this is how the guys reap it. Now we're going to take a walk down here. So it's a little pumpkin patch down this side. Yes, there's a lot of rows of corn. Yeah, and the corns are really huge, guys. It's really huge corns. So this is a little pumpkin patch, guys. Lovely, lovely farm. If you guys want to see more video like these, you can definitely let me know. We can visit a few other farms. So the guys them going through the rows, picking you guys can definitely see the rows. It's really lovely. A lot of corns in the bin. Alright, so this is a scallion patch, guys. These scallions are huge. Look at the size. Look at the size, guys. Some huge scallions. Some really huge scallion. All these scallions are gone though, guys. Sold already. Yeah. So like I said, when you buy directly from the farm, you get it at an affordable price. And one of the things farmers are doing now, they're actually selling straight from the farm. So you can get your crops at reasonable price. Look at the size of this, guys. Really, really huge. Lovely scallion. Look how huge this scallion is. So we're going to get some scallion as well to carry home. We're going to get some corn and scallion to carry home. It's another side of the corn farm. So this is May Farm in Salt Pan. These are some scallions that were picked. Really, really nice. This is a greenhouse. The farm equipment. Guys, so this patch was a cucumber patch, but cucumber is all sold out. And the land was clear. We're definitely waiting on the melons. Like I said, the melons aren't ready as yet. They're really, really small. Here's one. There's another one. There's a lot of melons in the field. We can't go through it because, you know, we'll step on the vines and we don't want to step on the vines. So as far as I can see, this is all melon farm. Yeah. And in the far distance, you can see the cornfield. So like I said, guys, you'll definitely see us come back for melons whenever melons are ready. Alright guys, so we're going to check out the onion field. The onions are not ready as yet, but we're going to check it out. A lot of persons don't know how onions are similar to scallion, guys. So you guys are going to see that. Yeah, so we're going to walk to the onion field. Like I said, guys, it's a lovely, lovely, lovely farm. Yeah. So this is the onion field. These ones are really small so far, as you can see. Yeah. It's a lovely farm, guys. So when the onions are ready to as well, you'll definitely see us back as well. So they are sprouting. Onions, they are sprouting. I'm going to go over this side and show you some larger ones. So as you can see, it's drip irrigation. Alright, so this is our onion bed. If you look closely, you can probably see the small shoots. Yeah. Lovely, lovely onion field. It's a bit muddy, so I won't go inside. Alright, so here's a little onion head. So as it matures, you will see it pop out the earth. You can see right here. Yes. So this is a onion farm. So this is an onion field. For everyone who doesn't know how onion grow, as you can see, guys, it is just like the scallion, just like the scallion. But this is onion. Yeah, the onion and the scallions are from the same family. You can actually cut these and cook it as well, the head. Over here, not sure what is going to plant over here. Probably next time we come back, we'll see whatever they plant over here. So this is the onion field, guys. So like I said, guys, we are on May Farm. It's a beautiful farm in Salt Pan. So currently the only thing that is ready now, guys, is the corn. So you guys can definitely get corn at May Farm. I think they have some pumpkin as well that are ready. We can take a walk down this side, guys. Let's take a walk right here. So guys, if you want your farm produce, you can definitely come to May Farm and can get the produce that you want. This is another set of the scallion patch. Guys, so this is a little mini orchard. I'm not sure if it's lemon, orange, or lime. I'm not sure. It looks like orange though, guys. Really lovely. So this is a mini orange orchard. This is about 1 acre. Either 1 or 2 acres. Small orange tree. This used to be a melon field. So there's a little melon. So May Farm is doing it big, guys. Lovely farm. The staff and the owners are really, really friendly. So we're heading back up now to the front. Like I said, we're heading back up to the front, guys. It was a lovely day visiting May Farms. Really enjoy it. Yes, guys, so like, comment, subscribe. You can definitely comment if you would love to see more vlogs like this.